Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, we mobbing. This is it, man. We out here. Iced out, baby. We mobbing, we mobbing. Woo! This is insane. Make little tracks around the no wake buoys here. Man, this thing grips pretty good. I don't trust it because I'm on ice, you know? Look at this, skating my foot on the ice. Woo! This is insane, guys. I've never done anything like this in my life. It's just so cool to be out here. I've been talking about doing this for months, and now the lake is finally, you know, frozen enough to where I could do this. It's sick. Just send it! It's insane, yo. I would drive by this lake and I'd see people do it, and I'm like, yo, that's insane. I'd love to do that. And now my buddy Jack, you know, he just said to send it, so we're sending it. I mean, just look how beautiful this lake is. It's just so nice. It's insane. We're literally driving on a lake. What do you think? Is the next step for the summer to put some skis on the 450, guys? And I'll drive it on the water? I'm just playing. I don't know about that. That's a little extreme. Tell you what, man, the bike loves being this open though. This is what this bike was made for. See if I could try and pop a wheelie here. Woo! Oh, that's the move, guys. Oh, yeah. Haha. That's my goal, guys. I want to start doing some wheelies. We're gonna get it. Alright, let's see. Woo! Almost slipped out. I could do this all day. As a matter of fact, I probably will. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Yeah, I don't really have a topic for today. I'm just gonna kind of send it. Oh yeah, she's loving to come up right now, man. I really got to get better at them, but I'm starting to get there. Ready? We're getting there. This is the life! Woo! What the? So I said I wanted to do this for a while. I wanted to get out here and make an ice video, but the ice kept thawing out, guys. I never got the chance. So now it's finally thick enough. We're going around, we're checking out, we're seeing what's good, what's not, and we're just gonna have some fun. I don't have a topic for today. We're just gonna send it. So my buddy Jack taught me, you know, you can't let the elements beat you. You need to learn to overcome the elements. And he's right. I love riding. I'm not gonna let winter stop me, you know? So here we are. I started out my dirt bike, which is street legal, my YZ450, and now we're out on a lake. We're living life. Alright guys, well that's probably gonna do it for this video, but I just want to say thank you for watching. Thanks for coming out on the ice with me. We got a ton of adventures coming. I don't know if the ice is always gonna be this clear. You know, we're probably gonna get some snow at some point. But either way, I'll still be out on the lake. Snow ain't gonna stop me.